Hi, welcome to WealthWave Stock Market Training Channel. Ways to earn in the stock market. Investing in the stock market can be a lucrative way to grow wealth. Here are some common strategies and methods through which investors and traders can earn money in the stock market. 1. Capital appreciation. Buy and hold. Purchase stocks and hold them over a long period to benefit from the increase in stock prices. Growth investing. Invest in companies expected to grow at an above-average rate compared to other companies. 2. Dividends. Dividend investing. Invest in companies that regularly pay dividends. Dividends are a portion of a company's earnings distributed to shareholders. 3. Trading. Day trading. Buy and sell stocks within the same trading day to profit from short-term price fluctuations. Swing trading. Hold stocks for several days or weeks to take advantage of expected price swings. Position trading. Hold stocks for several months to benefit from major price trends. 4. Derivatives trading. Options trading. Trade options contracts that give the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell stocks at a predetermined price before a specified date. Futures trading. Trade futures contracts obligating the buyer to purchase and the seller to sell a particular asset at a predetermined future date and price. 5. Investing in mutual funds. Equity mutual funds. Invest in mutual funds that pool money from many investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks. Index funds. Invest in mutual funds or ETFs that track specific market indices like the Nifty 50 or Sensex. 6. Arbitrage. Market arbitrage. Exploit price differences of the same stock or asset in different markets to make a profit. Merger arbitrage. Invest in companies involved in mergers or acquisitions, betting on the successful completion of these deals to earn profits. 7. Value investing. Finding undervalued stocks. Invest in stocks that are trading below their intrinsic value as determined by fundamental analysis. 8. Income from bonds. Coupon payments. Invest in corporate or government bonds that pay periodic interest, coupon payments. 9. Investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs. Invest in companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate. REITs pay regular dividends and offer capital appreciation. 10. Systematic Investment Plan, SIP. SIP in mutual funds. Regularly invest a fixed amount in mutual funds through SIPs to benefit from rupee cost averaging and compound growth. Tips for maximizing earnings. Research and analysis. Thoroughly research and analyze stocks before investing. Use fundamental and technical analysis to make informed decisions. Diversification. Spread your investments across different sectors, industries, and asset classes to reduce risk. Risk management. Set stop-loss orders and limit orders to protect against significant losses. Stay informed. Keep updated with market news, economic indicators, and company performance reports. Patience and discipline. Avoid impulsive decisions based on market volatility. Stick to your investment strategy and long-term goals. By employing these strategies and maintaining a disciplined approach, investors and traders can effectively earn money in the stock market.